Good morning, guys. This is my second video about pilot certificate tracker. So I built this program in mysql and Python. So you can see here, I had to import the mysql connector just to pair Python with MySQL databases. So for this project, I use a MySQL community server, which creates a virtual database in your, I mean, virtual server in your computer. And then you are able to use a MySQL workbench just to populate or create your database in this local server. So, and then I did this code on Python. So here I create this variable mydb, which received these values just to connect to the local host. And here you can see the database in use is pilot certificate, which I create with Workbench. And then you can see my cursor, which is my cursor is a method of mydb. Sorry, my cursor is a method connector. So, and then we are storing this result in my cursor. So, and then I create these methods. Basically, there are four main functions from databases. These are, uh, this has an acronym, which is CRUD, which means C for create, R for read, U for update, and D for delete. So I create all these functions. I took these functions and converted to my own functions on my Python. So you can see here, I have this function: create certificate, create pilot, read certificate, delete certificate, update certificate. And then this is my main function that receives all the inputs. And you can select an option, and then you can uh, decide if you want to create a new certificate for this pilot, or just to read or update or delete it. So we can run this program, and then you will see. So here we are running our program. Let's clean this up. Okay, now again. So we have to choose an option. So in this case, we are going to create a new certificate, create. So we're going to input the pilot's ID. So I have 3 pilots in my databases. I will choose number 1. Sorry, number 2, which is mine. And then enter certificate name. So in this case, so all the pilot needs to have a medical certificate, valid medical certificate. So then we put this the date in this format, 010 15. And then this certificate is valid for a year. So just, but the last date of the month. So which will be for the next year. That's it. And then we can read this, certificate, just R, and then enter the pilot ID, which is 2. And then we can have the certificate here. I have 2 medical certificates. Okay, from the last year, you see here that I took it on August 20, and it was valid until August 31st. And this two is my pilot ID. And then I have another medical certificate with this date, 15 October 2022. And this is the expiration date with my pilot ID. So if I want to update, just put U. If I want to delete something, just press D. So in this case, I will delete this. Pilot ID number 2, and certificate name to delete medical, but I have two medical, so I will delete both of them. Just delete and then read for number 2. There's nothing because it's empty, which is good. And then just press Q to quit and finish. That's all. Thank you.